Mama, your girl is graduating, and you know I've graduated. I'm just hoping that we are making you proud wherever you are. We love you dearly and will always love you. But please, wherever you are, may your soul rest in peace. Hi, what's good, everybody? I cannot do my noisy intro as you know me by that, simply because I've just woke up, so I'm tired. Extremely tired, and I cannot be loud waking up right now. But yeah, this another day, another vlog, you know. We are going to see my sister for graduation, and I'm hoping that you are going to actually enjoy this vlog. So you guys, if you are new in this channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for actually staying along my side. I actually appreciate that. But if you're new, if you are a new viewer or subscriber, please kindly hit the red button somewhere here below and kindly subscribe. Kindly hit the bell for notification so that you cannot lose my weekly uploads, and give this video a thumbs up because it helps a lot. You understand? So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, we are going to my sister's graduation, as I said, and we're going to pick up my clothes. And she actually told me to not forget the picture of mom, and I have it with me. I'm feeling so emotional. I'm having it with me, and then she actually commanded me to not leave some few things, and I'm already I will pack them. I will pack them, and then I will just see what so cool that I can actually give it to her as a present, because if you're going to graduation, you have to pull out with presents. Do you understand? So we're just going to see whether now present high as a girly girl. Do you understand? So you guys, please kindly stay up with me. Stay up with me. It's gonna be exciting. Stay up with me. It's gonna be exciting. As I said to you guys, that I'm feeling a bit emotional about this graduation, because it's someone that is so close to my heart, actually, and someone that I love so much. My mother's last born. Do you understand? Lona ka feel like it's like feeling ka ona mara hana last born ha ino akere. I feel like it's like feeling ka ona. So yeah, it is what it is. So guys, I have to get to town so that I can cut my hair short and looking good. Yeah, I need to look good. I need to look relevant. I need to look reflective, all that stuff. But I need to look charming more and more. So yeah, it's something of that nature. So you guys, go with me to not lose. I'm gonna vlog each and every minute of that graduation. Each and every minute of that graduation, I'm gonna vlog it out, because you guys need to see the detail in there. You guys need to see actually everything about that graduation. I'm sorry about the shaky of the phone, because I'm holding the phone with my hand. I left my tripod where I stay, so now the vlog must continue. Leaving the tripod or not, the vlog must continue. So I'm gonna get a haircut. I think I'm gonna vlog that. I'm gonna get flip-flops, and I think I'm gonna vlog that too. I'm going to get a few things, some presents, some gift, if I'll have money, obviously. But if I don't have money, it's not a must to come with presents most. But I'm just feeling that, that is my sister. I have to bring my A game to this. And graduation is something that is so important, out of this world, and is to just say to someone, congratulations, you did it, did more, do more, so yeah, something of that nature. I understand it that way. And remembering that I didn't graduate because I graduated the time of COVID. 2020 was COVID, so guys, we were doing online graduations. I didn't graduate, so this one feels like my graduation, although it is my sister's graduation, but it feels like mine. Do you know? So yeah, something of that nature, guys. Can take music, so let me get into the path and Mama, your girl is graduating, and I've graduated. I'm just hoping that we are making you proud wherever you are. We love you dearly and will always love you. But please, wherever you are, may your soul rest in peace. What's good, everybody? I'm done packing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bath. I said to you, I've just waked up, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and bath, and yeah, I'm just excited to actually hit the road to see my sister. I'm crossing fingers. I cannot wait to see her. You understand? So yeah, and I hope you are going to go with me, because this is going to be an exciting journey. I know that you cannot wait to actually testify it out. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Okay, hi, what's good, everybody? Trying to finish the vlog that I made yesterday about my clothing shopping. I'm so tired. I just woke up and I'm preparing to go for my sister's graduation, today. And I think I'm gonna vlog that, but it's going to be the video after this one, I guess. Yeah, the video after this one is gonna be graduation vlog. Yeah, it's gonna be graduation vlog. I'm pretty sure about that. So guys, this is the end of this video, and then I'm gonna see you when the time is right. Peace. Hi, what's up, guys? We're still on the way to this graduation. I'm so freaking tired. I'm done doing everything. I'm still home. Can you see? This is my home. If you watch my TikTok videos, you will know that this is home. So yeah, I'm still on the way. About to catch a taxi so that I can actually go to town and try to get my hair cut, if it's possible. I don't know. Like, really, at this point, I don't know if it's possible, because I see the time is against us. So we're just gonna see, is it possible for me to get the haircut, and then if it's possible, I'm gonna vlog that. And is it possible for me to buy food, and if it's possible, I'm gonna vlog that as well. But I'm quite anxious because my phone is gonna go off, I don't know when, because I'm gonna reply into comments on Facebook and also on other social media platforms. So we're gonna see what is cooking after baking. Guys, my outfit is hella dope, but it cannot be dope because I'm home, and you know the situation in how at home, it's just like upside and down. Do you understand? So yeah, you're gonna see my exact outfit when we get to town. So let's go. Do not skip the video. Let's go. Welcome back to fame. I don't know, guys, how what to say, but this video is a continuation of yesterday vlog. We're coming out for my sister's graduation. You guys, okay, I have to recap yesterday. Yesterday we went so well. It was so well. Our journey was so successful, guys, but I couldn't vlog everything when I arrived here simply because of I was caught up, I was busy, and my phone did go off, so I didn't have a chance to actually vlog everything. But today I'm going to vlog everything. I will have to make sure that I charge my phone. My phone is on top notch actually. So right now I'm just waking up. I'm gonna get a bath, and then after getting a bath, I'm just gonna dress up and make sure that I'm looking good. That outfit that guys, I have to look good. So today is the day of my sister's graduation. I've been saying it a lot, but my sister's today is finally graduating, and I'm so happy. I'm so emotional, guys. But at the same time, I'm like, no, this is happening. Actually, this is happening. This is really happening, you know. So we're gonna take some pictures, and then I'm gonna post the pictures after this video whenever we're going to the pictures. So the pictures are going to be affiliated in the midst of this video, you know. So you're gonna just make sure that you stay until the end so that you can find the pictures out. So you guys, I still have to make my bed out, and then I still have to bath, and then I'm gonna show you everything after I have bath, you know. My sister's graduating at 2 right now. The time is right about 9, you know. The graduation is happening, obviously. So you guys, let me show you how it looks like, because they did film it live, and it's so emotional, and it's so emotional. I'm so motivated by now, you know. I just want to go back and study, man. Yo, so emotional. Okay, let's watch this together. Show you guys the piece of what I'm watching. You know, I'm motivated, man. Thinking of completing my honors, but the boy is lazy. But we'll see, guys. So let me just get everything done, and then yeah, I'm gonna catch you in the vlog. So you guys, peace. I'm gonna catch you. Let's go. Okay, guys. Let me switch off this. Hi, what's up, guys? We are dressing up, preparing to dress up with my sister, you know. Such an emotional moment, missing our mother, but it's gonna be okay. So get along with us while we're still dressing up. She did her makeup. It's looking absolutely everything, you know. It's looking everything. So you guys, let's dress up, man. Let's dress up quick and fast. Let's dress up. Minus nothing. And it's watching her packies. I was watching the graduation online, you know, the morning graduation online, because we're gonna be on the afternoon session. So I was currently watching it, and it looked all sorts of vibes. I cannot lie. It looked all sorts of vibes. So you guys, yeah, it's gonna be, even this one is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna take bits and pieces of the video, but my video is actually mixed up, so I don't know how to edit it, but I'll try to edit it, guys, up for you. You know, I'll just try. But yo, it's really gonna get long. It's gonna get long.
Ngoku.
Oh, okay. Ngakubuyela?
Nandi khona ndomnameka. Ubone khona bese bayasigula. Awunayo university nje mhlawumbe undibale.
Mhlawumbe and nguye ke white ezangena.
White uyangena
ke. No black.
White ungenayo apha sa. Ngiyazi ngathi ukhona umuntu ozangikhaphela mntana.
Okay.
Uzothini
into ke? Ngifuna unikhapha ke sana.
Kaloku room zakakeke mfazi. Uzawuthini lento yakho?
Bese ukule nawe uyahamba.
Bathi ngaya eThekwini.
ndinemakazi labhizinesi okay.
But uhlala phaa ethembeni. Benihlala kwephi ro? Yabona ethembeni kule floor ingapha, la room ebehlala kuyo keke usingle room wakhe. Yanda bekuyi.
Apha
La room esecaleni kwase kitchen engeke ingena amanzi bingahlali bani uphaya. eDO2.
But kuya nesport indingabantwana.
Andiyazi mna ndifuna uyoqala ndifote before ndingene sport. Okay, yes,
Kanjani bona? Okay ke.
Ngiyaqhubisa suthi nje ke usaka uba kaphile. Kulungela sport. Ka usend me tsinyana tseni. Diliswe nyana. Ke di ba.
Tsana tse lahla.
Nna ke bona e tsona tsa plan.
Aya no na bena tuku.
Na. Nna ke bona tse mathata mona. Ke kanto. Ntshaka hlabo. Tama. Nata ka o tsa ke. Ndo singata ke stress ka tsona. Yo, I get stressed too, Hannah. Everything you put on the fellow Mudimuta born, high lights and what it lights are. I got a Pola tail. Like carbon to let you watch. But what allow you? If you guys are doing to move us, the man day. Kinse post wa tsaka mai kalika tsona ka stand le dieta before getting a shit a ke Patrick yes
ufile ka usitse
thank you Miguel okay ushota dieta
fast hlemo
ke fast I forgot some money
njalo ke bangata kana ga fitla mane se re sa khone go afford
haibo silas okay ha tsama a tsaka dina di tafala tsene tle ke ke mana
iPhone
it's a phone mana ya a ke ke a phone ha
family ke charge phone ana le battery for the video
na battery phone ya
ka charge na fast charge
itla londoloza ke ane charge phamisa ntho
abi yona tsa plug lutse fridge je
yo ke lebetso e plaka SS hane ke aina ke lebetso e plaka hona
wena ke yo plug lisang tho aina
ho ena lo ka gata
o aina la mon
ke mata ke mabethe nna ke tlo mahaeng jalo ga ntse tse dintse dintho ke maona yena yena
ke ngwana yana na dula le keke ya go sa high first
asio ana lahlileng a tla batla regali yo mokele chebena o shebala jwang yo a hona ka plus ntwe o itinning
intle
ka ke ka follow ke ruchi
ke bona bo mo ne embatsha
sky quarter cause in the food yo hona tsaba lo mtlamo o statuch yo ke tatse computer entire outfit
di fit di tat
di
not the whole set of yes
ke tla etsa
mara solanka le go tsa malona ga
photoshoot la photoshoot no tla tswa don't worry casually ke bona le sa plan ke tla fota tsa mmala ka lona ke bona le sa plan di ha ho wena ha batla sona modern girl vibes nka picture ne o le dika sentse le rete o rate yona ntse ha jo ba mmoje dieta o rate
dieta lo batlang go bo shepe
yo
no mo na tlhame le ke nkile rutshe go bedwetse
exactly ga te bona wa
ba botse ba lona ke nane a next sana le go tla tlhole ke mo go tsaya
so how to ana le ntse wa Bana yo se no la nchi. Avogana ke tsa hona.
se
Ke batla go sheba le bed cause bo
high bright in for
na ba le phakisitse man e ka ba le go bema a no tse
ai ba ne ke yona jwa
Sure. Jacob, dula fatshe. Okay.
Ke bula ka nqeng di kopantswe ke ntho ena
Di bula ka eng?
ena e tlamehile hle ka nqeng di blende mona ka morao
Ena e tlamehile potela nqe?
ee
Ya ka e tla nqe yona?
oo
O tlo etsa tjena tjena.
se ka hula haholo mona tla kgaola ntho ena e kenye hantle ntho ena
Hana tsa ka hana. Kapa ke tsela o dutseng ka ona?
tla bo hlahisela kindle wa ka
Mama o tlamehile o nyollotse ka ona Kindle.
Hello, you don't have any one kana mona ke rata East London. Ke a tseba mo botsetse.
It's all right, oversize. Cute, wait, Lama. Ube right, Mampi, Chula, Tula. How do you photo shooting here?
Shall I get for food? Oh, what's this nice set?
So, get to know where Humana is. Then, I'm going to here. Look at the budget.
No budget.
No, I don't.
Make a want to go to check your one.
I want to go some banana.
How many let's go?
I'm going to look at us. Okay. We have phone here,
How's my coin now? FB35. We ain't kind of lower Kuwait. We ain't kind of lower Kuwait.
How can I feel to first floor? You have the first floor.
FB35. FB35. Hey, FB35.
The first floor, Mujuri.
B, FB. Eh, ke a tsona se ka tla gola dieta tla khatla o hlai.
Papa. What's up, guys? I'm done with everything. So, you know, I couldn't leave the blanket alone. So, you guys, we are going to photo shoot right now. We are done with everything with my sister. So, she is out because she need to prepare some few things. So, see you in the photo shoot. Wait for the pictures to come. Bow. Let's go. What is Kabel go?
Shakabela kha.
Kumba kalothi nasiyame yenyawo.
Sophelela izo.
No. Mama ke sohlala.
Ina baqayini.
Ayizoloyini bazakwazi ukuspota.
Ukafika utshena nasiyana. Ubuya la ngizolo kana usamtsi. Atsela ha bona dima kana kana usamtsi impa go ke matba.
Ngora ngahlanga zibambi because xa ibhiza ke bambi calls. Isa what? Isa graduation.
Utamele na yinwana. Abamo suppose ke.
Ngeke ngiyenze.
Ngizoloka ayeke asezicofa.
Ngicofa ixesha.
But we're not sure about the understand? Vivi eu coloquei um suto por cima.
Oh, ke ani ke mbona.
Oh, ha tsameng. Hali ene ka nna mtaba hali uya itseba ntle ntle. Tsama my Vivi. Ya ni Vivi ka mama.
Oh, nna ke tla Sorry.
Come,